Welcome to the Greenstock News Brief for Tuesday, September 23rd. Here are today's top headlines. Rocket Lab has delivered its twin Explorer-class spacecraft, Blue and Gold, to Kennedy Space Center for NASA's ESCAPADE mission, which will study how the solar wind strips Mars' atmosphere. Built in just 3.5 years using Rocket Lab's vertically integrated manufacturing, the spacecraft will cruise 22 months to Mars and then orbit in tandem to capture simultaneous data at a fraction of the cost and time of traditional missions. Firefly Aerospace has received a $10 million NASA contract addendum to acquire nearly 120 gigabytes of extra science and operational data from its Blue Ghost Mission 1, the first commercial mission to land on the Moon. The purchase includes high-definition lunar images, such as a solar eclipse and sunset, plus detailed communications, propulsion, and temperature data to aid research on lunar dust and lander performance. Symbotic will integrate high-powered, ultra-fast charging battery technology into its SYM autonomous mobile robots, boosting performance and durability for warehouse automation. The new batteries offer 6 times the energy capacity, are 40% lighter, and last at least 10 times longer than traditional lithium-ion cells, enabling longer operation, faster movement, and greater efficiency across large connected systems. Nauticus Robotics has successfully tested sub-Nero modems on its Aquanaut vehicle, maintaining continuous acoustic communication from just below the surface to a depth of 2,300 meters. This marks the deepest recorded operation of a sub-Nero modem and validates its reliability for deep-water autonomous subsea missions.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.